I'll take your keys. You fuckface.
Really?
You fucker! You motherfucker! Who do you think you're fucking with?
Okay. Okay, take my keys.
I'm exiting your car. Is this the police station right here?
Yes, it is. Make sure I press charges on you.
I asked you you were going the wrong way.
Okay, take
All
my...
I said. I've been silent.
You have my car keys. You have my car keys. Go ahead and take my car keys.
I don't see a police station, but I'm heading one.
Hi, I'm not sure of the address. I'm following a person. I had a Uber passenger. I'm an Uber driver. She just took the keys out of my car and ran out of the car with them. Right now, I'm on Santa Monica Boulevard and I believe Crescent Drive. Crescent Drive, Santa Monica Boulevard. She took my keys from me and she's running off. She took out of my hand, out of the vehicle. She took them out of the vehicle. She turned off the car. She took the keys out of the vehicle and she ran off.